this? So you got the 2013 Ford SHO, the fucking Ultra Rice. So now whenever he's driving down the street, it'll look like a fucking cop. But I mean, that's like the way to go. You gotta be one with the cops, so that way they don't try to pull you over. Pop the hood on this racer. What'd they think about the ST when you took it into them?
They wanted fucking they wanted my stock parts and shit for it. So they demanded the access cord too, and I was like, no.
Really? Did you keep it?
Yeah, it's getting sold. I still got
so did you like put it back to pretty much stock?
Yeah.
And what all did you keep with it?
Well, it's the access cord, I just sold my intake today. And then the wheels. Got my rotor grid still.
Where are these baby turbos? Where are they at? We about to do a couple pulls in this thing? Yeah, how much horse do these have? Like around 350? 365.
All wheels.
Falling off roads daily. The Ultra Rice. You put the code in the unlock.
Program that, yeah.
Fucking Taurus. You would go to the automatic life, dude. If I don't see you like just stomping this, like matting the gas to the Ford soft grip.
Got paddle shifters.
And it's got paddle shifters, so you better just fucking drop it like 1 and 2 and just kick it out at soft grip. Just whip donuts in the middle. In the inner figure 8.
You gotta check out the trunk though. You see the trunk in these?
No, I've never seen the trunk. Oh my! Crawl up in there. That thing's huge. When are you about to switch the exhaust? Oh yeah. Oh, you're steaming up my fucking lens. Give it some gas and use the turbo. Damn it, you're fucking vaping it out.